while you go get your cell phone. Very, very important information we're going to share to you tonight about the island of La Palma and what is currently going on that will affect over 100 million people in the world. So this is one of these programs that might even make history, because I didn't believe this myself. I had to check it out myself when I found this out, and this is true, folks. I'm going to take you through the steps. We're going to expose the information, what is happening on the island of La Palma. According to this new information, this is not natural, and we're going to prove to you, according to the link that Hal Turner provided, we're going to go through this, and hopefully you'll be able to see what exactly is happening on the island. So let's go ahead and read a little bit of this article. I hope you have your phones ready. So the volcanic eruption, which began on the island of La Palma in the Canary Islands, Atlantic Ocean off the northwest coast of Africa, seems to be getting some help, artificial help, to make it worse. The evidence is below. When the Cumbre Vieja volcano on La Palma began erupting on September 10th, it immediately became the focus of intense attention, because that island is the only place in the world that can generate a tsunami wave, which is capable of literally destroying the entire coast of North America. Back in the 1990s, several scientists closely studied and even went inside the then dormant volcano and found that the entire southwest flank had become unstable and could slide into the ocean. That unstable landmass is the size of the island of Manhattan, New York City, which would generate a tsunami wave, a mega tsunami wave. And we're going to present you the information down below. You can do this yourself. Computer models showing the tsunami would begin hitting the U.S. coast within 7 to 8 hours and would smash almost all the major cities with a wall of water at least 30 meters to 50 meters high. That would be a wave of 100 to 164 feet tall, lasting 5 to 45 minutes as it flooded about 12 to 15 miles inland. Now, if the wave is bigger, it will go farther inland. As interest in the eruption grew, people started paying close attention to what was taking place there tonight. That attention has paid off. So if you guys are just tuning in, please go get your phone and you want to record this, folks, just in case this information is deleted. You will have a video record of what I am presenting to you tonight. The European Mediterranean Seismological Center, the EMSC, was founded in 1975 following a recommendation from the European Seismological Commission, the ESC. The ESC is a regional commission of International Association of Seismology and Physics of the Earth's Interior, the IASPEI, itself a specialized association of the International Union of Geodesy and Geophysicists, IUGG. Put simply, it is Europe's equivalent to the U.S. Geological Survey, the USGS, in the United States. Tonight, if someone goes to the EM website to look at the earthquakes taking place on the island of La Palma, they get a map showing this. So I'm going to go to the link here in just a few minutes of the EMS site, and you're going to see a map of La Palma, and over here you're going to see a list of earthquakes, and you're going to watch this. So this is what you're going to see. So I'm going to take you through the steps here. The red dots forming a blob of red indicates that the ongoing clusters of earthquakes around the erupting volcano. If you zoom in a little closer on the same earthquake map, you see this. So this is what you're going to see when you go to the EMS website. We're going to go there just in a few minutes. There's just a big old blob of earthquakes. So I hope you're recording this, folks. I really hope you're recording this. But what happens when you zoom in really close? Now, folks, you're not going to believe it. I didn't believe it either. I had to go to the website and do it myself. These are the earthquakes that are happening on La Palma. They are in straight lines in a grid pattern, folks. These earthquakes are being plotted out on a graph, and they are hitting exactly at specified coordinates over and over again in the same places. this island is being manipulated by, it looks like some kind of technology that is not natural. I hope you're recording this. So let's go ahead to the EMS site, and I'm going to show you this in person. Like I said, I did not believe this myself. This is the link. I will leave this link in the description box. So I just clicked the link. So once you go to the EMS site right here, let me see if I can screenshot this. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm going to copy this link, and I will put it in the chat section right now. This is the link to the EMS site. I am posting this right now. So if you're on a if you're on a computer, it would probably be better to do this on a laptop. So I'm posting this twice. Here is the site, the EMS site. You can click on that so we can all do this together. So let me take this off here. So this is the EMS site. This is the official site of the European Earthquake Monitoring Agency. So you're going to see a map just like this. So we're going to zoom in right here on the island of La Palma. This is the coast of Africa. So we're going to start zooming in here. And this is going to blow your mind, folks. This is really going to blow your mind. You can zoom in on any of these earthquakes, but the one on La Palma is very strange. So we're starting to zoom in right now. I will have to, hold on, I will have to adjust this with my hand. Okay, so as you can see, we're zooming in on the island of La Palma. We're getting closer, so I'm going to have to adjust this. I have the camera in one hand, and I'm trying to work the mouse in the other. So give me just a second. We're going to try to straighten this out. Oh, say we're back. Okay, we're going to keep zooming in on La Palma. So I'm just going to have to keep adjusting this so you can see it. So the island of La Palma now is coming into view. And I hope you are recording this. So here we go, folks. We are zooming in on La Palma right now on the EMS site. I just gave you the link in the description box. Here we go. You can start seeing the pattern now. Okay, so let me adjust this one more time. So we'll zoom in one more time. There you go, folks. There is your smoking gun. There is your evidence that these earthquakes are being manipulated. They are being manipulated either by HAARP, some kind of weather weapon, some kind of technology that we do not know, because they are in a straight grid pattern. So let me adjust this map one more time. Okay, this is the southern end of La Palma. The earthquakes are hitting. As you can see, there's multiple earthquakes in the same dot that are hitting over and over again. I did not believe this information. I had to click on the link myself. This is completely crazy. But let's click it one more time. And there you go, folks. You have a completely, almost perfect grid pattern